Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here. I want to bring you another original design. This is going to be the Prince Wreath knot. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. Going to come over, going to put in a dimple here, bring it over to the center, and then here we have this. Come up and over here like so. There you have that. Pretty simple, easy enough. Going to come and fold it like this and bring it back around. Bring it like this. Across and then up and over, more like that. These are some Boris Mocha, then with darkest techniques. So here we have this here. So we have this so far. You can see it looking like that. So then I'm going to do my first wreath. Come up like this, bring it down like this. Kind of have it going up and over like that. I want it to create like a crown look. So let me come over, do it again over this other side. Then we're going to take this top here. I'm going to do it up like this. Do a wreath and then just come back over here like so. So this is what we got. Let me put my collar down and look at this. The Prince Wreath knot. There you have it. That's a thing of beauty right there. So again, on your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll catch you in the next video.